Here we have the SEAVON Dehumidifier. It's got a really clean, sleek look. The remote is magnetic, attaches to the side, easy to control. You have both a power button here and a power button on the dehumidifier. The light on the side shines white when it's running. Here it is on. When the water compartment, which is over here, is full, it has an automatic shut off and the light will turn red, and then this just pulls out, and then you empty the water tank into your sink, put it back in, turn it back on. Very easy.
I was so excited by my little dehumidifier that I decided to go ahead and get a larger one for my bedroom. So it is so quiet, but it'll do a larger area. I cannot wait to see what it does over the next few days in this southern humidity.
Hi, so I just got this dehumidifier. It's really nice, it works really well. As you can see, it's pretty small, so it doesn't take up a whole ton of room. It comes with this remote, which I really like. You just press the button for it to come on, and you can also control the fan power to a lower or higher setting, and you can control the little light that's on it too. And it works really well.